All right, here's a nice question. It has you using a funny formula, this one right here. And I need to know what all those things are. Let me write the formula out again. So T of T, temperature after a given time, is equal to T0 plus T1 minus T0 times e to the negative KT. So they're getting something hot and they're putting it out on the counter and it's going to cool down. And that's why our K value is negative. Okay, so I have a body with temperature. So this is the initial temperature of the hot thing. And then the surroundings are T0. Okay, so a dish lasagna baked at 375. That's got to be T1. So I'll put that right here. Minus T0 be the kitchen temperature, which is 70. So this is 70. Oh, and this number here is 72. E, and they say after 8 minutes, the temperature is down to 311.8. So that's the temperature after a given amount of time. And it was 8 minutes. So e to the negative k times t. So there I've got a formula where I know everything except for k. So I can solve this for k. And here's how you do it. Sorry, I've got the chemistry template here. Get rid of that. Okay, first thing I would do is subtract 70 from each side. So 311 minus 70 is that 241.8. I think that's right. E is equal to 375 minus 70 is 5. So it'd be 5 times e to the minus k times t. I forgot to put 8 in there for t. Okay, e to the negative k times 8. Okay, I'm wanting to isolate this thing because it has the exponent with a k in it, so I'll divide both sides by 5. So this would be 8036. 80.36 is equal to e to the negative k times 8. Now I'm looking for a variable that's in the exponent, so I'll change this to log form. So it'll be log base e of 80.36 is equal to negative k times 8. And then ln of 80.36 divided by negative 8 is equal to k. Okay, calculator. Where's my calculator? Right there. Okay, ln. Where's ln? Right there. Of 80.36 bracket divide negative 8. Okay, so it gives me a k value of negative 0.54831. I'll leave it like that for now, but I'll probably use the exact answer. Okay, what was the question asking? Well, it doesn't ask me what the k value is, but I think you have to figure out what the k value is in order to figure out the next question. Because the next question says, what will its temperature be in 19 minutes? So I'm going to use the same formula. So temperature after a given time is equal to surroundings plus the hot temperature minus the surroundings, all to, or times e to the negative k times t. So this question says, what's the temperature after 19 minutes? So temperature after 19, and again, this is just notation. It's not t times 19. It's just saying what's the temperature after 19. It's equal to the surrounding temperature is 70 again, plus, again, it's 375 when it's taken out, minus 70, e to the Oh no, I just found out what k is. So k is negative 0.54831 times the time they want to know in 19 minutes. There we go. So now I'll just plug that into decimals. Okay, I'm back. My calculator says 246.27. So if I look at the answers that are provided, 246 right there. That's the one I'm picking. All right, hopefully that helps you with that question.